Hi, this is your Dr. Bitla Venu. Welcome to Avishkar. In this session, I will tell you how to draw the projections of the cone with different conditions. Let me read out the problem. A cone 40 mm diameter and 50 mm axis is resting on, on one generator on HP, which makes 30 degrees inclination with vertical plane. Draw the projections. This is the problem. I read out the problem once again. A cone of 40 mm diameter, the base diameter is 40 mm, and 50 mm axis means the height of the cone is 50 mm, and it is resting on one generator on HP. That means it is one of the generator of the cone is resting on HP, and also it is also making 30 degrees with vertical plane. With these two conditions, we have to draw the projections of the cone. Now let me move further. As it is resting in the problem, it is mentioned that it is resting on the horizontal plane, so that the true shape will be the top view. So our drawing should start with the true shape, that is top view. Draw or generate the top view first. When we see the cone from the top, it is a circle, so that we have to draw the circle with the given diameter, that is 40 mm. Then divide this top view into convenient equal number of divisions. In this case, I am dividing 8 equal divisions. Then I am naming all those divisions from A to H like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So after naming the divisions, then project all those points to XY line to get or to generate or to draw the front view. Take the compass, and in the compass take 50 mm height, 50 mm height in the compass. Then then this point as a center, then intersect this line. That means before that we have to draw a vertical line exactly at the center, then transfer that height 50 mm height here. Then we're already projected A and E and all those points here. Then join A and the height that we have done, that we have an intersection point here. So that intersection point and A, intersection point and E, we will get a triangle. Then project all the intermediate divisions also to get the other generators like this. Then name all those points as A dash, B dash, then C dash, G dash, and as well as H dash, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H dash. So after naming all the generator names, then we have to move further to draw the front view of the cone by considering the actual case. The actual case in this problem is the generator, one of the generator is lying on the horizontal plane. That means this will be the generator. This will be the generator. So one of this generator may lie on the horizontal plane. That means we have to twist this cone in such a way that this generator must lie on XY line. Now take the compass and locate a point at a convenient location. Okay, exactly. I'm twisting this cone to the rightwards like this, so that we will get a E point here. Locate a point and name that point as E dash as usual, because we have E dash here. Similarly, we also have E dash here. Then take the compass and take this E dash O dash radius with E dash as center. Locate O dash. And similarly, take the compass A dash E dash as radius with E dash as center, then draw an arc here. Then similarly, get O dash A dash as radius with O dash as center, intersect the previous arc to get A dash point here. Then join all these points, join A dash, O dash, E dash, and that will be the shape or the front view of the cone when the one of the generator of the cone is lying on HP. Then by using the compass, transfer all these or locate all these points H dash B dash, C dash G dash, and D dash F dash using compass. Just we need to transfer these heights on this line, on the base. So after drawing the front view of the cone, in the case that, in this case, the generator, one of the generator of the cone is lying on the HP, this will be the front view. Then we have to draw the top view in this condition. Then project all these points downwards, project all these points, or drop all the vertical lines from all these points of the base like this, A dash to H dash. Then draw the horizontal lines from the true shape of the cone when it is exactly lying on the HP, and G dash we will get 1 point here, then F dash H dash, then A dash E dash, B dash G dash, like this. Then name all those points. Then also drop a vertical line from O dash, then also drop a horizontal line exactly from the center to get O1 here, and these are the A1 to H dash and E dash, then here O1 to and E1 or H1, like this. So name all those points and join all those points as a smooth curve to get the top view of the cone when one of the generator is lying on HP. Then join G1 O1, then C1 O1 to get the top view of the cone in this case. Then consider the second condition. The second condition in this case is the axis of the cone is making an angle 30 degrees with the vertical plane, 30 degrees with the vertical plane. So that this is exactly the top view of the cone when one of the generator is lying on head. This is the first condition. The second condition is that this axis is horizontal. Now this axis is making an angle 30 degrees with the vertical plane now. So draw a line, draw an inclined line at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical plane like this. Then take a compass, O1 E1. In that compass, take the radius O1 E1 and locate a convenient point here and name that point as O1. So with that radius, just intersect this inclined line and that line will become E1, and with O1 A1 as radius, with O1 as center, get A1 point here. And by using the compass, transfer all these points and locate all these points by using O1 as center and E1 A1 as center. Get all the remaining points. Join all those points as a smooth curve to get the top view of the cone when it is making an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. Name all those points similar to that of the first condition. Name all those points as we have done in the case of first condition, that is when one of the generator is lying on HP. Then the next thing is that we have to draw the front view of the cone when it is making an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. Then draw the vertical lines upwards like this from all the generator points like this, and similarly from the O1 also. Then first A and A1 we will get 1 point here. Then H1 B1. So H1 and H we will get one more point here. Then we will get all the intersection points and similarly project O1 also and name all those points as A1 dash to H1 dash like this. Then we will get one more point here, O dash and O1 exactly we will get on this XY line itself. Then name that point as O1 dash. This will be our O1 dash exactly. Then join all these points wherever we got the intersection points as a smooth curve to get the front view of the cone when it is making an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. This will be the case of the cone or the projections of the cone when one of the generator of the cone is lying on HP and the axis of the cone is also making some inclination, that is 30 degrees with vertical plane. Thank you. In the next video, I will tell you one more example. Thank you.